According to the Battery Council International, 84% of automotive battery users discard their batteries prematurely. This means that many of us end up changing our batteries more often than we have to. We spend more money and damage the environment with more batteries thrown away every single day. This is all due to a chemical reaction within automotive batteries, which form a crystallized layer over battery plates. This process, also known as sulfation, eats away your battery's performance. Eventually, your batteries will die before its time. Now, with the Infinitum Desulfator, this damaging process can be reversed, providing you with the best possible performance, up to 3 times more lifespan, saving you hundreds or even thousands of your hard-earned money. The Infinitum Desulfator generates an electrical pulse that shatters the crystal formation within batteries, returning essential chemical compounds required for your battery's performance and longevity. With thousands of satisfied Infinitum users in over 47 nations worldwide, you too can enjoy the benefits of this revolutionary technology developed by NASA and used in the US military. Infinitum Battery Desulfators. Own one today.
Stop throwing your money away on disposable air filters. One K&N washable air filter can be cleaned every 50,000 miles and can last the life of your car. Made from cotton, a K&N washable air filter allows more airflow than disposable filters. Better airflow means better engine response. Install one in 5 minutes. Better value, better performance, and better for the environment. K&N, available where auto parts.
The primary purpose of an engine cooling system is to keep temperatures under control. However, these systems are often challenged by the fact that they use mostly water as a base for coolants. Consequences of using a water-based coolant include low boiling points, excessive vapor, the corrosion of engine components, and the highly toxic nature of ethylene glycol-based coolants. Although we've come to expect that engines and cooling systems will eventually fail us, coolants offered by companies like Evans Cooling Systems are proving an ability to offset all these challenges.
Engines need to last longer, as do all the components of the engine cooling system, while operating more efficiently and improving fuel economy. Our Evans waterless non-corrosive coolants will do that and lead to vehicles with failure-free lifetime cooling systems. Those lifetime cooling systems will ultimately save individuals, companies, fleets in the U.S. untold billions of dollars.
Jack Evans is the inventor of Evans Waterless Engine Coolant. What's unique about his coolant is that it's the only kind to not contain any water, allowing it to cool engines no matter how high the load without ever needing to be replaced.
According to industry sources, 40% of engine maintenance problems are due to cooling system failures. That's because the boiling point of water serves as the point of failure to those systems. Water vapor clings to the surface of the engine and continues to build, forming an insulating barrier, and as temperatures continue to rise, that vapor barrier causes detonation within the cylinder.
Evans waterless coolants have boiling points much higher than conventional coolants, and therefore never accumulate vapor pockets which cause overheating. The coolant can accommodate more severe temperature as the boiling point is 170 degrees higher than the operating temperature of the engine.
Evans non-aqueous coolants do completely eliminate all the problems that normally occur with water-based coolants. Evans coolants operate at a lower, safer pressure, avoid corrosion, eliminate overheating, and keep metal temperatures under control.
As opposed to water-based coolants that have to be changed periodically, Evans coolants last forever, never requiring a change, chemical testing, nor adjustment of anti-corrosion additives. This not only saves on cost to replace coolant, pumps, radiators, and hoses, it also reduces the disposal of coolant as a hazardous waste. Furthermore, because Evans coolant is essentially non-toxic, its use could potentially eliminate the release of deadly poison responsible for the deaths of hundreds of people as well as tens of thousands of animals and pets.
Increases in federal emission standards for vehicles challenge the automotive industry to lower fuel consumption and the disposal of fluids. Evans coolants last the life of the engine, eliminating the need for periodic disposal. that also reduces emissions by decreasing fuel use. Our coolants could drop the levels of CO2 and reduce emissions of diesel trucks by as much as 8 to 9%.
Even though the job of a coolant is, of course, to cool the engine, Evans coolant is capable of improving fuel economy as well. As great as the benefits of Evans coolants are, they're not exclusive to cars and trucks. The same benefits come in any form of internal combustion engine, whether it be locomotives, airplanes, or forklifts, or any high heat producing equipment such as lasers and CAT scanners.
Evans Cooling Systems is always looking to the future to improve the technology of thermal heat transfer fluids, the cooling industry, and our product line of unique coolants and cooling products. Our research, development, and patenting of coolant improvements, for example, increasing heat transfer by suspending nanoparticles in coolants is ongoing, and we believe the possibilities are endless.
A significant amount of our construction, transportation, and agricultural equipment is powered by diesel engines. Unfortunately, existing diesel engines do not meet new fuel consumption and exhaust pollution standards. The choices to date are not good. Either make existing engines comply or buy new equipment. A new alternative is a fuel catalyst created by Rentar Environmental Solutions. For companies like Hard Drives, a road contractor, taking engines offline costs money.
The Rentar fuel catalyst is easy to install. Takes about 20 minutes to put it on, and it goes between the secondary fuel filter to the fuel pump. It's an easy job to do. You got two hoses going to it. We put the inside on this end here. Screw it down tight. You take the other end, it goes to the fuel pump, just like that. You tighten it down.
The bottom line of all this is exactly that, the bottom line. In business, results are what matters most, not promises.
Hard Drives is an established construction company. It's been in business over 50 years and one of the primary construction companies in southern Florida. I was very skeptical at first, but after trying 6 units, the primary 6 units, we found that we were very successful and that we continued to use them, and we've built up now to 38 units. We've gained approximately 1 to 3 miles per gallon and a 50% reduction in our pollution standards.
From 2 to 3 miles per gallon on the fuel. And the black smoke is reduced 50% and better.
I would recommend the Rentar Fuel Catalyst to other people looking for improvements in their fuel economy and pollution control.
Diesel engines must meet new emission and fuel efficiency requirements, period. Solutions such as the Rentar Fuel Catalyst need to be looked at as possible solutions until existing engines wear out. For World Business Review, I'm Bruce Gaster.
The Fitch Fuel Catalyst is a remarkable new international product that works day in and day out for just about any type fuel or engine. As for the benefits, well, they make a very impressive list. Reduced exhaust emissions, reduced fuel consumption, reduced maintenance, improved engine horsepower, efficiency, and performance, cleaner engines, years of rigorous scientific and on-the-job testing, easy to use and install, does not dissolve or leach into the fuel, does not harm engines in any way, lasts for 250,000 miles, Department of Energy tested at the Oak Ridge National Laboratory, worldwide use with 5 U.S. patents. The Fitch Fuel Catalyst is certified by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency and issued a waiver by the California Air Resources Board, an American company manufacturing its product in the United States under the highest quality standards. The Fitch Fuel Catalyst, the better way to make engines run better.
With the rise of gas prices and an increased dependency on automobile transportation, it's no wonder that alternative fuel solutions are being explored and developed. Among them is the use of supplemental hydrogen, or oxyhydrogen, a safe, practical, and affordable method of improving your fuel efficiency. Supplemental hydrogen is produced using a generator specifically designed to extract the hydrogen and oxygen from the water. This gas is then directed to your vehicle's air intake system. Hydrogen is added to the air mixture, causing it to burn easily and powerfully, while the oxygen increases the octane value of your fuel. When put to the test on both foreign and domestic vehicles, compact to workhorse, gasoline and diesel, and generators used commonly with industrial construction, oxyhydrogen pulls more than its weight. Most importantly, however, it proves itself to be a practical, reliable, and safe way of saving fuel, safer than gasoline, diesel, or natural gas. When hydrogen is burned, only water is produced. According to user reports, oxyhydrogen will stretch your fuel dollar by an average of 15 to 28%. During a recent test of a 4,000 watt diesel LiPo generator, we reduced fuel consumption from 1 gallon per hour to less than half a gallon per hour while operating under full load. In addition to saving fuel, the oxyhydrogen generator will clean up the carbon buildup in your engine, increasing horsepower and allowing it to run smoother and more efficiently. Finally, the greenhouse gas emissions from your engine will be greatly reduced, making your vehicle or equipment environmentally friendly to use on a daily basis. Save Fuel is dedicated to bringing you the safest, most reliable, and affordable way of reducing your fuel expenses. Great care is taken in testing, proving, and optimizing the oxyhydrogen units for use in a wide variety of vehicles and equipment. If your vehicle operates on an internal combustion engine and uses gasoline, liquid petroleum gas, or diesel, it will benefit from oxyhydrogen. In addition, the oxyhydrogen system is designed to allow for self-installation, proving to be as easy to install as your car stereo. 98% of customers install this system on their own.
Kali ini kita pasang di Caterpillar 320D unit 03. Ini alat elektrolisernya. Kita pakai 2 unit. Ini akumulator pertama, ini akumulator kedua. Ini PWM, belum kita pasang satunya. Ini boiler besar yang sama, ini boiler besar yang kedua. BBM yang pertama sudah dipasang. Background. Mas, itu alat laporan semua mas, itu yang kotor masukin mas. Jadi siapa yang kotor-kotor kita bisa kotor. Bagian reaktor, ini bagian reservoir, jadi untuk tempat pengisian air kalau kurang. Struknya ikut di sini plus